Top 50 GK question. Question number 1. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deal with allocation of seat in the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer option A, 4th schedule. Question number 2. The lapse of doctrine was introduced by which Governor General? Correct answer होगा option B, Lord Dalhousie. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन? किस राज्य का सबसे लंबा कोस्ट लाइन है? करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, गुजरात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द राइबोसोम इन सेल? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच रिवर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द अमरकंटक प्लेटू? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, नर्मदा रिवर. Question number 6. The Finance Commission of India is constituted under which article? Correct answer option A, Article 280. Question number 7. Which Mughal emperor introduced the Mansabdari system in the large scale? Correct answer option C, Akbar. Question number 8. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is located. Correct answer option C, The Hague, Netherlands. Question number 9. Which vitamin deficiency causes the night blindness? Correct answer option C, vitamin A. Question number 10. The largest freshwater lake in India is? Correct answer option B, Wular Lake. Question number 11. Who among the following was the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer option B, Meera Kumar. Question number 12. Which layer of the atmosphere is responsible for radio communication? Correct answer option C, ionosphere. Question number 13. The capital of Pallava dynasty was? Correct answer option B, Kanchipuram. Question number 14. What is the SI unit of frequency? Correct answer option C, hertz. Question number 15. Which Indian national park is famous for one-horned rhino? Correct answer option A, Kaziranga National Park. It is located Assam. Question number 16. The concept of fundamental duty was borrowed from which country? Fundamental duty borrowed from? Correct answer option C, USSR. Question number 17. Which Indian river flow into the Arabian Sea? Correct answer option D, Tapi River. Question number 18. The black soil of India is also known as? Correct answer option C, Regur soil. Question number 19. Who was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj? Correct answer option B, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question number 20. Which part of the brain control balance and posture? Correct answer option C, cerebellum. Question number 21. Which article of the Constitution deal with the imposition of the President rule? राष्ट्रपति शासन किस संविधान के में मेंशन है? करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, आर्टिकल 356. Question number 22. The term Blue Revolution is related to? Correct answer option B, fisheries. Question number 23. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? Correct answer option B, Kalpana Chawla. Question number 24. Which metal is used for galvanization of iron? Correct answer option B, zinc. Question number 25. The Bhabar region found in which part of the India? Correct answer option C, Himalayan foothill. Question number 26. The committee recommended the establishment of Panchayati Raj in India is? Correct answer option A, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Question number 27. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Correct answer option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 28. The term fiscal deficit refer to? Correct answer option B, total expenditure minus total revenue. Question number 29. Who among the following was associated with Home Rule movement? Correct answer option B, Annie Besant. Question number 30. The currency of Japan is? Correct answer option B, yen. Question number 31. Which Indian dam is built on the Krishna River? Correct answer option C, Nagarjuna Sagar. Question number 32. The Battle of Plassey fought in? Correct answer option A, 1757. Question number 33. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Correct answer option C, kidney. Question number 34. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Correct answer option C, Japan. Question number 35. The maximum number of judges in Supreme Court of India is? Correct answer option C, 34. Question number 36. The national emblem of India is adopted from? Correct answer option B, Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Question number 37. Which crop requires maximum water? Correct answer option C, rice. Question number 38. Who presided over the joint sitting of Parliament? Correct answer option C, a Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 39. The first census in India was conducted in? Correct answer option A, 1872. Question number 14. Which acid present in lemon? Correct answer option C, citric acid. Question number 41. The headquarters of the SAARC is located at? Correct answer option C, Kathmandu, Nepal. Question number 42. Which movement was launched after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer option B, non-cooperation movement. Question number 43. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Census 2011 according. Correct answer option B, Kerala. Question number 44. The term budget is derived from which language? Correct answer option C, French. Question number 45. Which instrument is used to measure the atmospheric pressure? Correct answer option B, barometer. Question number 46. The Right to Education Act came into force in? Correct answer option D, 2010. Question number 47. Which port is known as Gateway of India? Correct answer option C, Mumbai port. Question number 48. Which Indian festival is related to Harvest Festival in Punjab? Correct answer option C, Baisakhi festival. Question number 49. The first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna was? Correct answer option A, C, Rajgopalachari. Question number 50. Which planet has the largest number of moons? Correct answer option B, Saturn.